Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video, we'll be looking into the universal and the complement of sets. So we'll be looking into universal sets and the complement of sets. So in my previous video, we talked about the definition of a set, the type of sets. We talk about subset, we talk about superset, we talk about power sets. Now we've talked about the cardinality of set, the cardinality of a power set, we talk about the null set or empty set. So what we'll be doing today is a universal set and a complement of set. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, and share. Thanks guys for watching. Now, what is a universal set? So a universal set, universal set. So universal set is the set that consists of all sets in consideration. So that is what we call a universal set, and it's represented using the symbol. Are we together? So universal set is a set that consists of all sets in consideration. Now, let's talk about the complement of set, then I will do some examples. Complement of a set. Complements of set. Now, so a complement of set, the complement of set A, the complement of set A, which is written in this form, A complement is a set that consists of all elements in the universal set that is not in A. That are not in A. That are not in A. So complement of set. So the complement of set A, which is written in this form, is a set that consists of all elements in the universal set that are not in A. Beautiful. Now let's look into some examples. Now let's say the universal set equals set of all natural numbers. Then I have set A equals set of even numbers. Then I ask us to find A complement. So A complement will be what? The set of all what? The set of elements that are in the universal set that are not in A, which is what? The set of all numbers. Because the set of natural numbers consists both the even numbers and the odd numbers. So, and then in A, we can only see even numbers without the odd numbers. So A complement will be set of all odd numbers. Okay, so let me use another example. Let's say the universal set A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I have A equals 3, 5, 7, 8. And I ask you to find A complement. So those are the elements in the universal set that are not in A, which is 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, and 10. So that is A complement, and that is how you solve for the complement of a set. All right, thanks for watching. So see you next time.